Hello friends, I am Sarah and welcome back to my channel Smart Kids. Friends, today I am going to show you very interesting yoga poses. These are weather yoga poses and also going to tell you the benefits of weather yoga poses. Now you would be thinking how weather yoga poses can be performed. So friends, today I am going to show you some very uniquely named yoga poses on the name of various weathers on planet Earth. So let's start. Now friends, let me tell you the benefits of these yoga poses. First of all these yoga poses helps in improving strength, balance and flexibility. These yoga poses helps in back pain relief. These yoga benefits in heart health. These yoga poses helps in relaxing and increasing concentration. These yoga poses helps in easing the stress and anxiety level and building the best body posture. Friends, I hope you like these weather yoga poses. If so, kindly give thumbs up to my video, share with your friends and do subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye.